The top 3 tools every data beginner needs to succeed revealed. Your step-by-step guide to starting strong in the data field. Created by Marco Giardina.
Hey there. Starting your journey into data can feel overwhelming. So many tools, so little time. But guess what? You only need 3 essential skills to kickstart your data career: Excel, SQL, and Tableau. In this video, I'll explain each tool's purpose and importance. I'll also cover how to rank them in your learning path. Let's get started. So why these 3 tools? Excel, SQL, and Tableau are the foundations of data analysis. Excel helps you to organize and analyze data. SQL lets you manage and query databases. And Tableau brings your insights to life through visuals. Master these, you'll be ready for almost any entry-level data role. First up, Excel is the Swiss Army knife of data. It is likely to be the first tool you will use. It is for beginners and is very versatile. With Excel, you can clean and filter data. You can create pivot tables and use formulas like VLOOKUP to find trends. For example, imagine analyzing monthly sales data to see which products perform best. It's quick, simple, and powerful. It is what you need to build your foundation. Next is SQL. Think of it as the language of databases. Most organizations store data in databases. SQL is how you access it. For instance, you could pull sales data grouped by region to calculate total revenue. With SQL, you will unlock the power to work with massive datasets in a streamlined manner. Finally, we have Tableau. This tool is all about storytelling with data. In a few clicks, you can make interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards to share your findings. Imagine building a dashboard to track sales trends over time and sharing it with your team. Tableau helps you turn raw data into insights that everyone can understand. Now let's talk about how to prioritize. Start with Excel to build a solid foundation. Then move on to SQL to access and query data. Finally, focus on Tableau to create impactful visualizations. Take it one step at a time. It's all about steady progress. Now it's time for action. Dedicate 20 minutes a day and you will surprise yourself with the progress you achieve. As a data analytics coach, I have seen how mastering these tools can transform careers. Still not sure? That's okay. I'm here to help. Book a free assessment session at datawithmarco.com. Great job completing this video. You now know the must-have skills to kickstart your data career. Subscribe for more tips and let's build your data journey together. See you in the next video.